Welcome back to SENFENG China. This is Serie. Is there such a machine that not only has a fully enclosed structure to meet Serie certification, but can save half of the floor space? This machine fulfills your above needs. Unlike conventional double platform cutting machines, the single design structure of this machine has a smaller footprint, and there is no need to disassemble the machine at all. A 20-feet container can be done. The fully enclosed structure can well help avoid laser radiation and fully meet the requirements of local environmental protection policies. The pull-out workbench is more convenient for sheet metal loading and unloading on the premise of meeting the needs of conventional sheet metal processing. There is no need to worry about its cutting accuracy. The machine body has undergone high temperature quenching, stress relief, and other processes, which is super rigid and not easy to deform even in the case of long-term processing. It is also equipped with an patritional dust removal system, automatically locating the cutting position, and the smoke can be exhausted in different areas to make it more efficient. The modular design of aviation-grade aluminum profile beams and Z-axis, and the quality inspection, laser interferometer, and other multiple processes and inspections ensure that the cutting cross-section is smooth and burst-free. Equipped with SENFENG CNC system, there are Chinese, English, German, French, multiple language options, easy for you to operate. At the same time, it can perform multifunctional automatic nesting, which is suitable for processing various thin plates and improves cutting efficiency. If you like our machine, don't be hesitated, and please contact us immediately.